Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you very briefly how to deal with PTE listening question type right from dictation. Okay, in PTE listening there is a question type where they speak something, they dictate something, and you've got to write from that dictation. So in order to deal with this question type, what is it that you need to consider? There are 5 points which I'm going to tell you. First of all, focus on listening carefully. Throughout your PTE listening test, it's a very good idea to focus your listening carefully. Whatever they speak in the audio, develop it as a habit that you're listening to it very, very carefully. As you listen to your Janu carefully whenever you have the calls. So yeah, some people don't listen to the Janu. Yeah, but anyway, Janu, Manu, whoever, right? So listen carefully. Second, take efficient notes. I mean, whenever you are listening, you've got to take some efficient notes. Efficient notes, it means don't write everything. Just see what are the key points. As we say, key moments. So you need to write key moments in the audio or key points in the audio so that you could reproduce or you could actually dictate, dictate from there. So you may take efficient notes. Organize your notes. You can write down each word or phrase as accurately as possible. You may use some abbreviations, symbols to speed up your note-taking skill, right? Next, check spelling and grammar. Both are important, right? Because, PTE, artificial intelligence engine, it checks your spelling, it checks your grammar. Even a simple software like Microsoft Word, it checks your spelling and grammar. So PTE is English language test. So they check all these things. So you need to write correct grammar, correct sentence structure. For that, I would advise you to learn 5 tenses like present simple, past simple, future simple, present perfect, continuous. Along with tenses, you need to learn the use of helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, will be, have, has, had, been, and all that, okay, where to use. So this is how you can write correct grammar and spelling. Practice listening and writing skills. So you need to practice as you listen that you are writing also. So listening and writing, and not writing but actually typing, okay. Let's go on. Last point is review your notes, the notes that you have taken. You can review your notes, and this is how you can master the skill right from dictation, and you can get good score. Well, let me tell you, in PTE exam, practice is the key. Try to practice as much as possible on your favorite PTE app, and you will be able to get your desired score. All the best, guys. I also teach PTE online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in-campus PTE classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You may contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck with your PTE preparation. Take care. Allah Hafiz.